What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. We're having a hard time with this stupid bus. It's not running with the new motor. So we got one Matt Jackson.
We're doing this.
And we got one Gary Alexander of VW Life. They're gonna help me out. We're gonna get a loaner motor installed, and we're gonna fix everything, and we're gonna make this trip. It's in like 3 days or something. So we're gonna tow the bus to Gary's house, and we're gonna do the work.
Let's do this.
There it is. Sorry to interrupt your leisurely evening by the fire.
This is what I do every night.
It's like you're already on the trip.
Whoa.
And put their jelly in the chips.
Yeah. Really all he does is change location.
Thomas.
What's all?
Gary.
How you doing, sir?
Well,
Appreciative.
Well, it wouldn't be a Big Ben trip if there wasn't a test bud motor going.
Oh,
So, right?
I guess. And Matt Jackson, three fifths of VW Life
There we are.
and a Mini. You got all the dangerous toys, that brand and axe.
Stick that in there and I'll brand you. Yeah.
All right,
A for adventure. Let's get this bus, let's take it off the tow bar and then push it
I
back.
think we just leave it on the tow bar. Just do it right here.
Well, all the tools are over there.
Oh. All right. I mean, I can back it up to there. It'll go. It just won't idle. I can.
Well, I mean,
we can
ideally
push it.
you're going to drive it and test run it, so it needs to come off the truck anyways.
Okay. You say,
I mean,
boss.
yeah, I think we need to take it off. Just get over there close to the shop and we'll do it all over there.
Matt's the boss. He's in charge today. Let's get it off the tow bar. There's a lot more room behind this one.
Imagine that.
Oh, it's not a doghouse.
Doghouses are for
Hey, I'm
late model.
family show. I'm gonna have to beep the heck out of that.
Hey, you need to edit.
You son of a gun, you.
What's the deal, Lucille?
He's bitching about having to edit and cut.
Matt Jackson's up here swearing like a salty sailor
Jeez, Matt Jackson.
because he
This is a
knows
family
his
show.
camera was off. I seen it.
Hey, make sure you guys subscribe if you like Jason's channel, Old Volks TV. I know you guys in Dallas are watching this. All you guys have those Old Volks shirts. I saw them last week.
This would have been badass to go live.
Oh, you know it. Look at this kid over here gonna light himself on fire. All right, Gary's got the wiring getting hooked up.
Yep.
We got our fuel stuff, semi good. Oh, hippie hatch. It's nice with the light up there too, huh?
Gary, do you have anything to say about this?
About, what's that, buddy? This Volkswagen?
Yes.
You know what? VW Life.
Old
Yep.
Volks TV.
Golly, that.
Maybe another problem here, Gary.
What's that?
It's a generator.
What is it? You don't have a regulator.
I don't have a regulator.
Yeah, that's gonna be a problem.
I can put my alternator on there.
No, not with it's already in there.
We're putting in a regulator because we're going from alternator to generator.
Mm-hmm.
You're used to working with your face in the camera, right?
Yeah.
Gary's gonna remember to hook it up the right way. We're almost there, boys.
Yeah, we are.
You guys are awesome. I'm gonna
No,
buy you
you
some.
are.
Where's your other light?
Matt.
We also need the barrel nut for the throttle.
8mm.
Oh, yeah.
You need a barrel nut?
For the throttle cable, yeah?
Yeah.
Barrel nut department.
And that is 12 volt, right?
10
I guess it is because we had it in that. This motor was in the old Elgin Brick.
Yeah.
See right here for footage of the Elgin Brick.
Elgin Brick.
Driving this motor on Big Bend last year. It's a Big Bend veteran motor.
So we've got we went a little OD long on these, but
Yeah, you'll be. As long as it don't get sucked into the fan, you're okay.
Yeah, well, look, I'm gonna let you tidy it up.
It's gonna look just like that come Sunday morning.
That was my fear.
Maybe have a couple zip ties in there. That's it. This is what we call a fast and loose install. Curveball install. There is oil in there too, yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
I ran it this afternoon.
Oh, you did?
Mm-hmm. I mean, I'd ran it already, but...
Appreciate that, buddy. A throttle cable, also installed by one Gary Alexander.
Is this the one for on the side of the highway?
Yeah.
On the way to the Guadalupe River?
And
No,
are,
Big Bend.
Big Bend.
Last
No,
year.
No,
New
it was
Mexico.
New
Mexico.
Mexico. And those are my least favorite throttle cables. I don't like the solid ones.
Hair chicks, yeah.
Look, it's Mitch.
Tis I.
It's the Mitch, the beardless Mitch.
That's right. Well,
What's the on this side?
I don't see how there's any. There's not. It'll function, but there's not a lot of adjustment. These are basically bottomed out. You can't even adjust them. But it just so happens that you can still get a little zero out of it. If you were going to try to put a feeler gauge in there, it probably wouldn't work. But I don't know. These springs are on upside down too, except for this one right here.
Okay, so it's in, and I think we got everything hooked up and wired up, so we're gonna go ahead and try to see if it'll start. We're gonna see.
6 cars out there in the yard. Well,
All right, let's see what happens.
You know what this video is missing?
Make sure it's out of
Me. There needs to be more me.
You may be going forward or backwards or through the.
Hopefully this works.
Yep, ready.
clutch.
Let's try again.
Wow. Wait a minute. The starter that is in here is an automatic starter, and the flywheel,
It's a 12 volt.
It should work.
yeah, it should work. And it sounded like it was trying to work.
Get a Martin's adjustable wrench out and turn the pulley a little bit, or just turn it a little bit.
Let me try.
Fingers.
Uh-oh.
Are you a pull down into the pulley kind of guy?
Yeah, that's how I roll.
Psychopath.
Oh my god. What's going on here?
It's locked up. That's the reason why it's pinched somewhere.
It's in neutral.
Yeah, we did.
I mean,
It went right in.
It went right in.
Now what is going on?
It's touching something.
Who
right now. It's not allowing it to
knows?
move.
Yeah.
And it was, I mean, that drove it, so the transmission clearancing is clear.
Did y'all swap swap pressure plates or anything like that?
Yeah.
And if that's the case, then you know that touch is fine. I'm not saying that you gotta fix it, but at least you can see what's happening.
Turn her over, so we're gonna take a look.
You gotta go in there and do those 2 and the top one too. But look and see if it's mated.
I thought you had a light.
Just a little bit, and then see if you can
Are
turn
you gonna go for it?
because somehow, some way, you can tell if it's pinching.
Ratchet.
Then what you want it to do is to grind as you're doing this, because it'll make a mark that when you pull it back, we'll see exactly what it's touching and what's going on. We'll be able to see what's going on.
This has been this has had a. This is in the brick. He had to have that thing clearance for 12 volt flywheel.
And that motor
was
in this
already
thing,
running in it, so that doesn't. So right now,
So so this is yeah, that transmission's
I clearance this. I mean, I just did it, but that was in there turning, and it didn't grind. It didn't make any sounds when it.
yeah, but
Different flywheel.
the pressure plate bolts could be protruding out far enough to touch some place on there, and they could be locked in there, which is why I said loosen it a little bit where you can turn it, because then when you pull it out, you'll be able to see the spot where it's touching, and then that's the spot you address.
I did have to grind down the bolts for the mounts. They
Yeah.
were sticking up a little high, so I took a flapper wheel to them and brought them down below the holes for the bottom bolts, because it was rubbing on.
You don't put the head in first.
Okay, well these are both loose.
I didn't.
Okay.
Man, that's how they work.
So what do we do now?
The top one and
We
and
tickle belly.
Don't take them off. Just
leave them right. Just stay right there. Okay. You gotta take the top one loose.
Here, I'll let you do that. There's a hippie hatch.
For the hippies?
Yeah, for the hippies to jump
I'm gonna
in.
close this lid, Matt Jackson. Watch your hands.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what's happening. It's hitting
It's
on
just
it.
bound up.
Yeah, it's hitting on it. It's.
It's not to do with anything, but
Were you running a 12-volt flywheel before?
No, my 1600 was a 6-volt,
There's your answer.
but that's a 12-volt, and that was running it. So I mean, I ground the shit
It
out
was
of it.
running it though, right?
Yeah.
But it's a different. That's what. But this is the old school.
Like pull it on it and
wiggle it a little bit.
Wiggle it.
Wiggle it.
Are
out.
you
How loose are you?
How loose are you on the bottom, Jackson?
I got like they both have like a lot of
Thread showing.
Yeah.
You can back them up a lot.
okay.
Dude, it's dark.
Alright.
There you go.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of loss. Now,
Alright, now turn it.
There you go.
Keep doing that.
okay, so now we're not touching anything. So let's
So now start snugging it up.
here, get your thing on it. Let's try to go forward.
Actually, sounds pretty good too. Yay!
That's fun, baby!
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna blow my filter. Okay. Ooh, it's dark over here. We got it. We got it running. Thanks to those VW Life guys. They are some good friends right there that we got in the community here. Loaner motor, regulator, fuel line, tools, the place to do it. I mean, you can't say anything better about these guys. They're amazing. So really thankful to them. And now we get to take this trip. I get to actually go. I was bummed out. I was going to miss it. So we're going to run this motor and just have a good time this week. And when we come back, we'll deal with that other motor. And probably have to take it back down to San Antonio and have the builder fix a few things for me and tune it and get it running with everything on it, so I can just pick it up as a drop-it-in motor and have, you know, he's just gonna have to do that for me. That's a story for another day. Super excited right now, man. I'm so happy. We're gonna go tune it real quick and then we'll pick you up on the way home. What?
You're on
Oh, is
the
that
air,
on?
everybody.
Is that better?
We are on the air.
Live and nationwide.
Hey, we got it. We got that motor in there, the spare VW Life backup motor.
That is it. It has been around.
It's been in everybody's
What would you
bus.
call it earlier? You kind of used it bad.
I can't use that on my
Yeah,
channel.
you
It's-
can't. Yeah, you said it on ours. I noticed. I caught that, a 5-letter word for get around like this motor gets around like a record.
A record.
Whoop whoop.
But it runs fantastic, and I can't thank you guys enough for the help. It's,
Sure thing, man.
I was so broken yesterday. I didn't think I was gonna make it.
I know. I know that feeling. I mean, all too well. The mad thrash before we head to Big Bend. So
Having it out in like 11 minutes, everybody jumped in and just grabbed a wrench and got it done. It was amazing. Tommy came down. Mitchie's here. He's holding the camera.
yeah.
You know, everybody came and stuck their nose in there and poked at something. So that was it's awesome. The community we have is fantastic. I love it.
That's what it's all about. I mean, this is what it's all about. You know, everybody just pitching in and getting everybody going, and that's what makes me happy. That's it. And it's nice having spares. I remember there's times when there were no spares floating around. You know, so it's nice to have
Spare
spares.
parts.
I mean, you know, whatever you do, like that other 1600 of yours, man, you need to get it, set it aside. He's got a spare motor. Just
Yeah.
have it sitting there. You know.
I've got 5 motors at my house right now, so we'll pick one.
Yeah, pick a good
Ford
one.
easy.
Yeah, I got 40s are cheap. But they're good. They'll get you down the road. That's all you need to do. So
Yeah. And we'll keep you guys updated on the 1835 turd motor. There was a few things wrong with it, but we'll figure it out. I'm not gonna point fingers yet. We'll see where we end up with that one.
just needs a little loving.
We'll take it back down and get it running again. I know he'll fix it up for me. So until then, it's a 1600 kind of day, and it's just what it's gonna be.
That's good.
So next time you see us, we'll be on the road to Big Bend. Let's see if we can't break something out in the middle of nowhere.
No, we're not
And
breaking
and then
anything.
really try to fix something.
No, we don't want to do that.
So,
Been there done that too many times too.
yeah, so get those shirts from wherever. Sean has the link down below, wherever that is, and check out VW Life, and all our other friends. And what do we subscribe and like and all that stuff?
Yeah.
But, you know what you're supposed
Make
to
sure
do.
you
You watch
subscribe.
YouTube, you know how it works,
Subscribe and like.
right?
Yeah,
Like.
Yeah,
Click,
you'll
click,
see
click.
it'll all pop
Add
on
your
here.
comments.
It'll be,
all
the
kinds of good
comments.
stuff.
I
Yeah,
love the comments.
comments are good.
And thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye, everybody.